my turn to. So we made the good entree. Now we have the dessert.
The dessert. Yes. So what's on the menu?
On the menu is the chocolate chip oatmeal cookie, which is so simple, full of protein. I like to melt, so I pre-packaged out everything here. I like to melt peanut butter better because it's easier when you actually put it in.
Mix it, yeah.
Yeah, so we did 1 cup of melted
take
peanut
that.
butter. She'll take it. She'll lick the bowl instead.
Oh, yes.
I was telling her that the problem with peanut butter in my house is my husband will not eat natural good peanut butter. He likes only like not so good.
Yeah, so I with all the sugar.
That's what this is. So we got 1 cup of that. We got 1 cup of oatmeal, just your standard oatmeal. And then we take the lovely Magnum Quattro, which is a protein that I love. We take 1 scoop of that. So
What flavor is that?
That's vanilla.
Okay, yeah.
So it gives it a nice, right? Easy. And then we're doing 1/2 cup of applesauce. And literally just put it all, there's no rhyme or reason like, oh, do this, like throw it all in one. So I just mix it up here. There's the beautiful thing here. So just mix this up. So now we're going to add a little bit of our baking soda, just a pinch. So a pinch and a tablespoon. I just sprinkle ever so slightly a little bit because it helps the cookies rise. And then 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You don't have to. Oops. You don't have to always add that, but I like to have just a little bit of flavor. And then of course your chocolate chips. Definitely buy organic. Today I did not. So I use 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Just so traditional baking sheet, nothing exciting. And then we're just gonna take a little spoon and literally drop them onto the pan. Bake at 350 for about 12 minutes. That's it.
Did you spray it? Did you spray it? No.
No.
Oh, you don't? They don't
No,
stick?
I do.
Blooper. Oops.
You're like, did you spray it? Did you spray it? No, I didn't. No. Oh no.
We're supposed to spray it.
No, no.
Okay, yeah.
You are supposed to spray it, so we're just gonna.
Aren't you 8 weeks out of a show?
Yeah,
Is that peanut butter that went in your mouth?
Yes, it is. It's called.
That's okay. That's what happens when you bake, right?
Heidi's carb depleted right now. So we're gonna just on a freeze-dried baking sheet. Yes, because protein sticks.
Yeah.
And if you don't have it pre-sprayed, then it will be sticking. Yeah. So there's no. It's not like exciting. Like ooh. I mean, you could probably fold these if you wanted to, but the applesauce makes it a tad bit sticky. Yeah. But with this recipe, you really don't want to over bake it with protein cookies because you get that fine line of it being like dry, hard. So that's the biggest thing I always stress to people, like watch your baking, make sure you're not like, oh my gosh, leaving it in there for too long. Because then you're done.
I'm totally guilty of overcooking things because I'm always scared of the food raw.
Really? In cooking? But I'm excited to try the Can we have a bunch of that now? Right?
No. Yeah.
Be so good. So yeah, this I'll put on here, and I will get the macros for you on these cookies as well. Again, like a nice treat that you can feed your family.
Yeah, these are amazing for the kids.
Not feel guilty that you're
giving them processed too much sugar.
Too much sugar and preservative. I think the biggest thing is preservatives.
Yes. Oh yeah. Look at granola bars and it's like, why do you even have like dyes in here? It's a granola bar.
Yeah. No.
But they need to make things look appealing, and they add all these chemicals.
Yeah, that's another thing with food photography too that kills me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add to this cookie. Food photography is very hard on its own, right? To make it look good.
Yeah.
And I watched this Instagram. It was kind of cool. Like this Instagram thing about how they make things look really cool. And it was like for pancakes, instead of using maple syrup, they used car oil. Seriously.
Right, because it just disappears.
Look,
because I do protein pancakes and I've done pictures and I didn't know that. But
yeah.
So when your food doesn't turn out the way it looks like in the Instagram shots,
it's not.
It's not you. Just like the bodies. Nothing's real. Nothing's real on Instagram.
Yeah, no, it's not real.
Nothing's real.
So there they go. They're gonna go in the oven, like I said, 350 for 12 minutes, and that's it. And then this is fast forward till the
12 minutes later,
and this is what they look like there.
Those look delicious.
Oh.
Nice and warm.
Warm, gooey. Look at all the. We'll just break this apart here.
Oh my goodness.
Listen, the chocolate in here.
There goes my diet for
Needs to be fresh for a cannon. Yeah, they're good, right?
They're really good.
Take like 5 minutes to make. Like
so soft.
just have a little.
I'm like, oh.
For dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're good.